this is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we are presenting a prime studio unit located here in the Proscenium residences. This is part of the Proscenium, a 5-tower development located here in Rockwell Center in Makati City. So this is a 59-story tower, and this has a prime view of the amenities, which we're gonna show you right here. Now we're here at the unit. The door pattern adds an additional elegant touch. So this is a 29 square meter property, and upon entry, being a studio unit, you immediately have your kitchen space. I like that they still put some indirect lighting here, different flooring for the kitchen area versus the rest of the unit. And then from here, you immediately have a view of your large window, and you have built-in storage here already. Lighted, so that's a nice touch. I like the ceiling height. You already have a split type air conditioning unit here, and this is where you can have your bed. So this is fantastic for anyone looking to live in the Rockwell Center. So this is a beautiful development, and you have so many amenities that we're going to show at the end of this video. And then here's another view. So the purpose of walkthroughs like this is just to give you an idea of the orientation, the size. It's really different having someone walking around the unit versus just taking a look at pictures. And then here you have the ensuite bathroom, of course. So you have your sink space. I like the marble pattern, and then the water closet. You have a Color branded sink already, and then your shower area. Okay. Here's another view. And that caps off our quick tour. We hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this prime studio unit located in the Proscenium residences here in Rockwell Center, Makati City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.